On the tail of one of those rigs, poured out a shower of 50 caliber machine gun fire, scoring the very first jet air-to-air kill. The first of 847 kills in the third quarter of the Caribbean conflict. The Navy stood between technology. Important, especially during slow speed environments like takeoffs and landings where that angle brake design just a matter of seconds. Fresco, Jason Soltz now as he rolls the aircraft into the 4-point hesitation roll, 2 to the inverted, 3 to opposite 9th inch flight, and 4 back to upright flight. How a big round of applause for Jason Soltz. 4-point roll, and then expelled air creates the thrust in that final stage. Raw jet fuel is added, giving the Fresco a significant kick in the rear. Demonstrating for us an aileron roll at show center. He's an avid racer. States of America. Tactics and maneuvers. You can keep up with Jason on Instagram and YouTube This new technology gave the Mig-17 incredible acceleration, especially against non-afterburner aircraft. Up until the introduction of the dual